There we go. This is a 2005 Suzuki LT-A50. Little two-stroke guy. I just had, the weather has just changed from winter to spring, and it's gotten much warmer here in Atlanta. So did a little bit of jetting adjustments to it, because these things are, kind of sensitive to proper jetting. And just a note, I also had the uni style pod air filter on it. Check out my other videos on how I set that up, because the stock carburetor does not have a mount for that type of air filter, but I sort of created a thing to make that happen. It's got the stock, little Mikuni VM12 carburetor on it, and I deleted the oil injection system, and I just do premix, in the fuel. Fresh top end, fresh piston, fresh gaskets, fresh spark plug, basically fresh everything on it. Even awesome new tires, painted rims, new body work. We did all that to it. And the easiest way to get to the carburetor is to remove this footwell here, so that's why that's off right now. So if you need to get to the carburetor, just remove this here. It's only a few fasteners right through here, and you can get it all off, and you can access that easily. That's that. As far as jetting, I actually went, now with this setup, this has got a stock exhaust also, because an aftermarket exhaust is way too expensive for this thing. So it's stock exhaust. Everything else is pretty much stock on it except for the air filter. And I actually went up to the 170 main jet, and it made it run beautifully. You'd think you'd have to lean it down some for summer riding, but I actually richened up the main jet, and I kept both pilot jets in it, because I was having trouble, getting it to run just right. I mean, that's a common mod to remove the outer pilot jet, but it actually made this thing run worse. So I've got both pilot jets in it. I've got the clip on the third position, I believe, on the needle, and on the 170 main jet, and that's it. You heard it, you saw it. I'm almost 180 pounds, and it was pulling me around nicely. So check out my other videos on the project we did with this little guy, and it turned out really nice. This is imported from Europe. On the graphics, we transferred all of the warning decals over. They have to be riveted on, as you see right there. It even has a wireless hour meter on it that starts counting automatically as soon as the motor cranks up, which is awesome for keeping track of maintenance, that sort of thing. All the body work had to be replaced via OEM, which is really expensive, because I was blown away that nobody offered aftermarket plastics for this little thing. So that was a little disappointing, but anyway, that's that, man. This thing runs great. We also did an aftermarket little tether right here, so you can pull that, and it'll shut the motor down immediately if needed. And this thing really wasn't used that much from the previous original owner. So yeah, we got lots of other videos on this project and how we got it to the state that it is in. And it's about to be delivered to a guy in Dahlonega, Georgia, as we speak. Gonna get it for his little one. So there you go. Check out our Facebook page also. We got photo albums and things for our projects. Look up Horsepower House on Facebook. We also have an eBay store, Amazon store. We sell all kinds of specialty parts and tools and pullers and things, just stuff that's really handy for working on vehicles like this. And check us out. You might see something that will help you. So y'all have a good day. We shall talk to y'all later.